everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So as promised in my last video, I am giving you a Kroger updated deals video that goes from December 15th through the 28th of 2021. So yesterday was the first day of the new Kroger sale and I gave you a bunch of must-do deals. You definitely want to go check out that video because there are a ton of deals outside of this video. However, I'm not going to lie, I missed some of the savings and I had a bunch of you let me know what I'd messed up on. So big thank you to those of you that put comments down below and said, hey, you forgot about this rebate, or hey, check this out. I don't know. It was just one of those days. I was kind of crazy. My computer is being really slow, so it's making it difficult to do things in a timely manner. Anyway, so I apologize for that, but I am giving you an updated deals video. I said I would do that in the comments and fix all these problems. So you definitely want to be subscribed to my channel. So that way, when I correct the mistakes I am bound to make, because I am just human, you will definitely be notified and you'll know that you're going to either save more money or whatever the deal may be. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of those videos. And let's get going. So first, I want to give you some updates that are going on with our digital coupon sale. So you can grab up to 5 items with your digital coupon per transaction. Now, the cool thing about the digital coupons in this kind of sale is that it doesn't disappear. So if you really want 10 items, you can do 5 in one transaction and turn around and do 5 in another transaction. So you can get some pretty good savings here. And just a reminder, these digital coupons are store coupons. You can pair them with manufacturer coupons. In fact, if you have like 2 different digitals, this store coupon digital with a manufacturer digital, they both will come off in your transaction. So I'm not just making this stuff up. It really does happen because they're 2 different coupons. So let's check out the updated deals. First updated deal, I told you in my must-do deals video, come back on Thursday to see if the Kroger cashback will reload because it was expiring on the 15th. And sure enough, this morning I jumped on there to see if we were going to have it reload, and it did. So the deal is Kroger's Townhouse crackers, regularly priced $3.19, on sale for $2.99, dollar off 1 5-time digital coupon, remember store coupon, and you can pair that with a dollar off 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's website. I'll have that linked in the description box below. You're going to pay $1.49 each, or what, $2.98 for the 2 of them. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1 up to 5 times, so you'll get $1.50 back there. And then Kroger cashback did reload today, so you're going to get 25 cents back on 1 up to 5 times. So if you bought 2 of them, you get 50 cents back from Kroger cashback and $1.50 back from Ibotta, making your final cost 49 cents each, which is amazing. Really great deal here. I know some of you may have been doing this during the mega sale. It ends up being the same price. It's just a different way to put the deal together. But super excited about grabbing some more crackers, especially towards Christmas and all the things we're going to be celebrating and needing crackers for. You know, all those cheese dips and everything. I'm going to grab some more of these. Same thing happening with the Kellogg's Club Crisp crackers. It's kind of a mouthful there. So we had the Kroger cashback, again, reload. I told you yesterday in my must-do deals video to check back on Thursday to see if it reloaded as it was expiring on the 15th, and sure enough, it did. So Club Crisp Crackers, $3.69 regular price, sale for $2.99, a dollar off 1 5-time digital coupon. It's the same digital coupon for the Townhouse crackers. So it's the Kellogg's crackers in general. And of course, it applies to more than just the Club Crisp crackers, but for the best deals, in order to use your Kroger cashback and Ibotta, it has to be the crisps. A dollar off 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's website, same coupon that you can use with the Townhouse. Out of pocket, $1.49 each. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1. Submit to Kroger cashback for 25 cents back on 1. Both a limit of 5 times. Final cost 49 cents each. Great deal. All right. Quaker Instant Oatmeal, Dinosaur Eggs, Strawberry Banana, or some more. So you want to get one of those 3 kinds, or, you know, mix and match, however you want to do it. They're regularly priced $2.99. They are on sale for $2.69. There is a dollar off 1 5-time digital coupon, remember store coupon, that you can pair it with a dollar off 1 from Smart Source 1212. Now that's where I stopped you and said final cost was 69 cents each. However, silly me, did not see the Ibotta rebate. So out of pocket it's 69 cents, but we're not done there. it's going to be $1.50 back from Ibotta for each box. So if you're buying multiple boxes, you're going to get these for free and 81-cent moneymaker per oatmeal box, right? So if you decide to get, let's say, all 5 of them or whatever you want to get, you're going to make 81 cents per box. So that's really, really awesome. I want to say a big thank you to Jasmine Nash in my Must Do Deals video. I'm going to give a big shout out there. She's the one that said, hey, and we also had another Jasmine Staller. I'm not sure who said it first, but both of the Jasmines there are the ones like, hey, there's a Quaker Oatmeal rebate too. Big thank you guys for letting me be aware of that. I don't know how I missed it. I'm usually pretty good at spotting things on Ibotta, and I totally missed it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Big moneymaker and freebie. If you still have your receipt and you did this deal yesterday, just then upload it to Ibotta. You're still going to get that money back. So if you did the deal for me and you didn't realize about the Ibotta, just upload it today and you're good to go. All right, this is a new freebie for me, of course. I've seen this a couple different places on Instagram over the last 24 hours. Several people posted this deal for Kroger. The Breakstone Sour Cream, regularly priced $2.69. It's on sale for $1.99, and there's a $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon. So out of pocket, you'll pay 99 cents. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1, which is great. But this was a rebate I don't know if anybody else has, but I have the sour cream, any sour cream for 10 cents. So if you have that, you're going to get this for free and make 11 cents. If you do not have the any brand sour cream, you're just going to get this for free. Either way, really great deal here for this sour cream. Question for those of you out there, can you freeze sour cream? Because I never go through it very fast, but I'd love to max out the deal here since it's 5 for free. But I don't want to get them if they're all going to go bad if I can't freeze them. So let me know in the comments if you can freeze sour cream. I'm just curious, because if you can, I'm going to max out this deal. All right, let's talk about some updates on some other Kroger deals that are happening this week. First, the Candy Pop or Cookie Pop popcorn, regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99. We had a brand new $1 off 1 digital coupon that popped up this morning, so on Thursday morning. So you need to go in and load that if you want this. Final cost is $1.99. I really have been wanting to try this product. It looks delicious and maybe a fun product to get, as, I don't know, a gift or something. I don't know. It could be fun. Anyway, I was curious what you thought about this, if you've tried it, and if you have tried it, what kind do you recommend? I know the picture there is the Candy Pop Butterfinger candy coated popcorn, but there are several different kinds. So let me know your favorite, which one I should try. Okay, so update on these Big K Zero Sugar deals. Okay, so zero sugar drink deals. First is the 12-count canned soda. I did tell you about this in my Must Do Deals video with the Ibotta rebate, but I missed the Kroger cashback. I'm telling you what, guys, I was off my game yesterday. I am so sorry. So these are regularly priced $3.19. You'll pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for that 60 cents back on 1. But then you can also submit to Kroger cashback for 60 cents back on 1. A limit of 1 time, both. So $1.99 for 1 set of cans. I did actually go buy this last night. I will tell you that my Kroger cashback did not disappear, even though I bought the exact product that's in the picture. So I am going to have to give customer service a call and see if they'll credit me for that. I'm not sure why. I know in my app it says there are no applicable items for this deal, but that happens all the time and I never have a problem getting that money back. So I'm not sure what's going on there. You could also choose to max out this deal with the sale that's going on, 4 for $12. If you grab all 4, they are regularly priced $3.19, but they're going to be $3 each when you buy 4. So out of pocket, you'll pay $12 once you submit to Ibotta and Kroger cashback for 60 cents back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time only, so that's unfortunate there. Your final cost is $10.80 total, or just $2.70 each. Not $1.99, but like I said, if you're drinking this stuff all the time, you might as well go ahead and max out the best deal. All right, the Big K Zero Sugar 2-liter. Again, I had this in my must-do deals video. I missed the Kroger cashback, so I apologize. These are regularly priced 89 cents, on sale for 75 cents this week. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has 15 cents back on one, and Kroger cashback has 15 cents back on one. Final cost should be 45 cents. Again, I'm going to say this one more time. I bought the Cherry Zero Cola drink last night, and the Kroger cashback is still sitting there, even though I had loaded it. So like I said, I'm going to wait one more day. If it's still not gone, I'm going to give Kroger a call and just talk to customer service. They generally will credit it to me, although it's not that much money. I mean, it's only like 75 cents. Usually when you talk to customer service, at least my experience, I've had very, very kind, nice people I've talked to. They usually give me like $10 or something like that for my trouble. Or, so if that's the case, it's well worth sitting on customer service line for a little bit trying to get it fixed. However, I can't guarantee that you're always going to have somebody kind and wonderful to work with you. So just letting that be known that you can call customer service and get this resolved. And usually it ends up being a big bonus in your favor. All right, so the 5-time weekly digital deals, I have all of them in my must-do deals video. So go check that video out once you get done with this video. But I do have an update for the Beyond Beef. It has gotten better. It was an amazing deal in my must-do deals video, but now it is a money maker deal. I'm so excited. All right, so I want to give a great big shout out. I'm looking who it is. Nikki Clove. So Nikki Clove in my must-do deals video left me a comment and said that she had a $4 cashback offer from Fetch. I went straight to my Fetch, and sure enough, I had it too. I don't know. I'm telling you guys, I was messed up yesterday. I don't know if it's just I was too tired. Christmas is coming. I've got too many things on my brain. I missed so many awesome deals. So Beyond Beef, the 16 ounce there, regularly priced almost $10, $9.99. It's on sale for $7.99, but it has that weekly digital of $6.97. Now that's what you will pay out of pocket. I grabbed 2 of these yesterday. So I went to the store and grabbed 2 of them. I'm going to make chili tonight, and I was going to use this in my chili. Submit to Ibotta for $4.50 back on once, a limit of 3 times. So that's $9 back. Then submit to Fetch for 4,000 points. That's if you get 2. You don't have to get 2. You can only get 1 if you want. I did 2. 4,000 points. It's a limit of 2 times. Final cost is free and $1.03 moneymaker. That is per 16 ounce of ground beef. I got 2 of them, so I made $2.06. So excited about this deal. Huge moneymaker. Let me know in the comments if you're doing this deal, but it is so good. Okay guys, that was my quick catch-up update deals for you. If you like this video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and hit all. And of course, go down to the description box. Click on the coupons, print from me. Also, join all my social medias and all that good stuff. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.